Look at all these different options for clocks. There's the super basic little one. There's this larger digital one. Here's one with 4 different times on it that you can pick. And here's an extended one that shows you the actual times that you picked. In this case, Cupertino, Tokyo, Sydney, and Paris. And I tapped on it by accident. So to set these up is super simple. Everybody's got the analog regular clock. To change it, you can just tap and hold on it. And you can choose one of these icons at the top. Let's tap on this one right here. And that brings us up to this bigger clock. In your case, it might make the digital clock, depending how you have your settings set up. Let's put this back down to the small one. That's the really simple way of doing it. The way to do this most easily and most quickly is tap and hold anywhere where there isn't an app, then tap on edit in the top left. If there is no empty space, tap on any app, then choose edit home screen. And that will bring up the edit button in the top left again. Tap on the edit button, choose add widget, scroll down a little bit, and you can add clocks. Tap on the clock. Let's go back to the very first one. So here we have our digital clock that we saw a minute ago, analog clock called clock 1, a different style of analog called clock 2, clock 3, city digital. Up there it says CUP, which is short for Cupertino, headquarters of Apple. Analog Cupertino again. Kind of getting the idea. Then we have the world clocks. And there's 2 different styles of those. You just tap on whichever one you want, or scroll to whichever one you want, then click on Add Widget, and it's going to add it to your home screen. You can have as many as you want. I currently have 5 different clock widgets, so 4 on just this page, and the new one was added to a new page. So the world clock is kind of a weird one. I thought you could edit the actual cities that are shown here, but you cannot. These ones, Cupertino, Tokyo, Sydney, and Paris, they're there to stay. When you tap on it, you'll see the times of various places around the world. This is where you can edit things. See, we have Munich and London here, for example. It shows what time it is there. If you tap on the plus, you can choose any other city that's in this list, and there's a whole ton of them. Let's put Baltimore in there. And my fat fingers missed Baltimore. Let's find another city to put in there. Hopefully no fat finger syndrome this time. Let's put Boston in there. Yes, got it. So now we see all these different times for all these different places. Back on the home screen, we still have the 4 that they put in there that we can't change. We tap on it and we can have as many different times for as many different cities as we want in this list. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is all about making sure your phone is not listening to you. It's an important video, so check it out and I'll see you there.